Nan, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Cunanan, a foreign Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For this vlog guys, another great discovery. So ito po ang Melbourne Tea. So they claim to be the best milk tea
And ice cream
in
in
town. So guys, this is located in Angeles City. Another option for you to try out. And if you're interested to know more, samahan niyo po kami sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Okay, so this is it. This is the place coming in here. Pagpasok nyo dito guys, the experience or the ambience is very elegant. Ayan, no? So I mean, you have very thick cushion na seats, glass table, mga ganyan. So napakalakas Instagram feels. Ayan. So although ganun yung experience dito, come and check out the menu. Very affordable. Check it out. Dito sa Melbourne Tea, actually, ang best sellers nila, of course, are milk teas. So they also serve fruit teas such as this. Ayan, ang ganda ng presentation, di ba? And they also serve, of course, ice cream. Available din dito. And another great find na makikita nyo dito is yung mga pizza nila.
So on our table, yung flavor natin is meron silang all meat na flavor nila and yung pepperoni.
Wow! So on our table yan. Notice guys, it's still steaming hot. So habang mainit yung pagkain, syempre titikman na natin yan. So actually, Mark, one thing I noticed sa mga milk teas nila, I mean sa mga refreshments nila, napaka-vivid ng mga colors,
Yes,
no?
kumbaga napaka-tingkat at ang sarap inumin.
Exactly. So of course, at the end of the day, it's all about the taste, di ba? It's all about the taste naman. So
ako titikman ko kanilang lemon fruit tea. Ayan, no? Siyempre ako as a fruity lover, ito yung preferred ko.
So ako naman titikman yung kanilang, this is their red velvet. I mean, look at this. It's like a painting, no? Parang yung cup natin is a canvas. Oh wow, this one's creamy.
This one is fruity naman.
What do you think about yung ambience naman yung lugar niya?
Yung place, unang-una napaka-refreshing, napaka-cozy.
Napaka-cozy, yeah.
Ang sarap mag-stay, mag-chill.
Exactly, no? So habang coming from outside, napaka-init. Pagdating mo dito, you're gonna be refreshed. If you have a small meeting or a small meet-up, you can do it here.
Pwede.
Yeah, pwede siya.
Siyempre, tingnan naman natin yung kanilang mga pizza.
So this one is all meat.
All meat.
Ito naman ay
ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. Ano, parang pareho tayo ng unang titikman. Gusto ko rin ng ham and cheese na to.
Kasi yung cheese pa lang, napakasarap tingnan.
So these are like mga square pizzas. Oh, wow. Cheesy. How much is it?
This is only 220 pesos.
220 pesos, shareable 2 to 3 persons. Good enough. I like it. So creamy, so cheesy yung natin, toppings natin, and then you have like thick crust.
Thick crust pero ang lambot.
Wow. Okay, so won't bore you long guys. I wanna taste next yung kanilang all meat. So, of course, mga all meat lovers like you.
Yes, meat lover.
Yeah, this is gonna be a must try. Another option for you guys. Oh wow. This one naman para sa akin, it's a little bit more for Italian. No?
Yes.
Medyo sour yung red base natin, red base sauce natin. So cheesy pa rin, no? Sobrang cheesy pa rin ng mga pizza nila.
Nakaka-enjoy kainin sila.
Yeah.
For other flavors, meron din silang Hawaiian and pepperoni.
Wow. This milk tea place just opened 2 weeks ago. And check out their fan page. Available na po sa mga food delivery services. If you don't want to leave your house or nasa office ka and you want to try this out, come and check out po yung fan page nila. They're open via orders and delivery.
I just want to comment yung kanilang lemon fruit tea. Napakasarap niya. Kung ikaw yung gusto ng medyo maasim na drinks, at the same time nandun yung sweetness niya, I suggest ito yung orderin mo.
Okay. Titikman ko naman to.
Strawberry.
Ayan, so this one's strawberry. It has 3 layers pala, no? So meron tayong butterfly tea, meron tayong Yakult in the middle, and then lastly, yung pinaka...
fruit tea.
Yeah, fruit tea. So this one's a strawberry flavor naman. So, there you go guys. Sabi nga ng tagline natin kanina, they claim to be the best milk tea and ice cream. So, what a way to end the video with their ice creams.
That is chocolate and at the same time, ito yung strawberry ice cream nila.
So, guys, another option for you to try to get refreshed. Another place for you to check out.
So, this is located in Sumay Chodoro Street, Santa Maria 1, Balibago, Angeles City.
So, there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and make sure to check out Melbourne Tea.
Yes, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys.